Can you get that? What's that? Don't get that. Because he's going to bite me.
I think he's camera shy.
Here, bye.
He's really scared.
Just give it to him.
What are you doing, freak? Lovely.
Oh, that sounds. Oh no, the car's gonna make it fly away.
Don't fly away, I love you! I keep feeding him chips. Oh, what? Don't go!
He's got back.
Did you see that? It sort of went like that.
I swear he just threw that up.
They do that sometimes.
Yeah.
I saw it. SEAGULL.
There's loads of the bitches now. I'm not driving, but I'm like about to run away. He's not gonna hurt you. What if we throw a chip right at him? That'd be well funny. I'm not going to because I'm not evil. What?
I think you might have to throw it because he's scared of you.
I'm sorry!
Shit.
Oh, I'm going, there's too many.
Throw one on the grass.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. Ah! That was shit.
I think it's not good. I
Fuck.
think I get to stay here now.
What?
If they shit at me, I'm gonna kill you.
Well, that one was close. It flew over us. If one shits on me, I'm calling my stepdad and I'm going home.
I would hate to be shit. Oh.
Oh,
You scared me.
and he came right back to finish the chip.
Look at his front. If you look at his neck, you can sort of see those chips.
No,
Yeah,
because
when
that's just sick, man.
You can.
It's sick!